rainy day at the paddock. So my herd, which had been overeating weeds with Rocky, decided to come back, I think because Billie and Rocky ran over there and then got terribly excited. And so they decided to join in being excited. But it looks like they're heading, I'm not sure where they're heading. They're staying in Billie's for the time being. But they're moving, and movement is good for them, particularly Cammy. So on the whole, I think this is desirable.
It'll be like
They run around, and now they're running. Yes. Rocky says maybe I'll join in too. It's kind of chilly and it's a little bit wet. So we horses have got, stuff to do.
you can have all the rest and just let me ride. Horses and light, just like the air I breathe. This love will be in me till the day that I die. Horses and life.
Because I'm getting wet.
I have been blessed with these. It was my destiny. Let this be my legacy.